This is Dr. Jim Palermo with a video explanation of expectations and the rubric for the CIIP Part C, the curriculum audit. You've completed Part A and Part B, the CNA and assessment of the PLCs in the current state of PLCs in the district. You're going to, in Part C, lead the team in an examination of curriculum, instruction, and assessment. And again, hopefully do this by examining existing documents and analyzing these with your team, hopefully not creating anything new. The rubric is kind of similar to the other two pieces. It starts off with an overview, which asks you to describe what we're going to see in Part C, but also to repeat part of the data set from Part A. In particular, what were the prioritized needs? What floated to the top as the greatest opportunities, perhaps? And introduce the team. Again, this should be a summary from Part A. Introduce the team, and then tell us, again, what we're going to read in Part C. Dang. The next portion of the CIIP is describing the process of leading the team in the analysis of documents. It does describe some of the documents you can see, the named units of study, the performance standards, the pacing calendar. Does each teacher in the district get this kind of material from the district? So you'll lead the team in an examination of the district documents, lead the team in a description of district assessment, formative, benchmark, summative assessments. So look at whether there's a balanced assessment system. Lead the team in an audit of instructional resources. Are there aligned text resources with the standards? Are there instructional resources? Is there training for teachers and support for teachers and the application of these concepts? You'll look at the process of leading the team in the audit. You've examined curriculum and assessment and instruction. Lead the team now to identify strengths and weaknesses once again. Strengths and opportunities is the way it's framed here. And then you will lead the team in sharing these recommendations with others. So you will be taking parts A and B and C and combining them, and you're asked to find research-based recommendations for improvement that you do share with someone in the district. So again, in Part A and Part B, it says share this with someone else. In Part C, it does as well, and you should put those three pieces together. APA 7th edition is the expectation for style guide, and you should be writing in language that's free of errors and spelling and grammar errors. That's the expectation all the way through. If I'm not clear about the expectations for what the curriculum audit looks like, please contact me, Dr. Jim Palermo, or your instructor for further description. Along with Part D, the reflection, parts A, B, and C should go together as one large curriculum audit. Thanks.